that sway where dreams will grow. A rhythm ancient, roots that show. Breeze concourse, ride the flow. Let it take you where you go. Breeze concourse, soft and slow. Echoes bounce in the ocean song. Time bends, it stretches, then it's gone. The waves keep moving, rolling strong. Catch the drift, feel the air. It's a journey, we're aware. Breeze concourse, ride the flow. Let it take you where you go. Breeze concourse, soft and slow. Through the haze, the dub beat call fills the cracks, rebuilds the wall. Lost in sound, no need to stall. Woke up to the scent of sugar in the air. Sticky sweet, got my senses in a snare. Warm like the sun, rolling slow without a care. Cinnamon roll on, keep it turning, keep it tight. Cinnamon roll on, in the morning, through the night. Cinnamon roll on, oh the flavor feels so right. Glaze dripping like a golden ray of light. Soft and tender, it's a baker's delight. Break it apart, but it never loses sight. Spice in the wind, I feel it again. Whispering tales from a baker's den. Cinnamon roll on, keep it turning, side. Cinnamon roll on in the morning through the night. Cinnamon roll on, oh the flavor feels so right. Sugar dreams and powdered streams, rising dough and steamy beams. Take me back to where it gleams. Street lights flicker like they've seen too much. The wind whispers secrets in a stranger's club. A throne of chaos built from sand and dirt. Kings and queens of the night chasing lost trust. Crowned by Bazaar, where the echoes play. The drums of the earth keep the dark at bay. Crowned by Bazaar, in the dance we stay. The rhythm's our guide, let it lead the way. Golden smoke rises, bends and weaves. Truth hides beneath the vendor's sleeve. Eyes meet eyes in a fleeting gaze. This market of dreams is a mystic maze. Oh, the shadows talk, the walls can hear. Every soul a story, every step sincere. By Bazaar, where the echoes play. The drums of the earth keep the dark at bay. Crowned by Bazaar, in the dance we stay. The rhythm's our guide, let it lead the way. Trade for peace, a stolen glance, a silent release. The stars above mark the rhythm's time. this kingdom of roots, we're free, sublime. Foreshore glows the morning waves, sand still cold where the tide breaks. I hear the hum of the ocean's tune. It whispers low, it fades too soon. Dawn delight on the foreshore spread, gold in the sky where the night once bled. Dawn delight, it calls my name. Different day, but the rhythm same. Palm trees sway in a sleepy groove. Their shadows dance, their branches move. Salt air clings like a lover's hold. Soft but strong, it never grows old. Every wave, it tells a story. Every ripple sings of glory. Dawn delight on the foreshore spread, gold in the sky where the night once bled. Dawn delight, it calls my name. Different day, but the rhythm same. Footsteps vanish, the shores are slain. A canvas drawn by time and fate. Echoes linger from the sea's embrace. Forever change and never replace. Smoke trails rising like a whisper in the night. Talk of peace beneath the golden sunlight. Roots grow deep where the rhythm takes flight. Ganja diplomacy, lighted and agreed. Pass the pipe of unity, set your spirit free. Ganja diplomacy, that's the key. Oh, borders fade where the green fields sway. Words flow easy, the clouds drift away. In the haze we find a brighter day. Ganja diplomacy, lighted and agreed. Pass the pipe of unity, set your spirit free. Ganja diplomacy, that's the key. No papers, no walls, no chains, no fear. Just the sound of the drum and the smoke in the air. Healing the world one spark at a time. A universal rhythm, a sacred design. Ganja diplomacy, lighted and agreed. Pass the pipe of unity, set your spirit free. Ganja diplomacy, that's the key. Under the sun where the palm trees lean, roots grow strong where the earth stays green. A temple of wisdom in the shade unseen. Green temple, Jah Jah, guide my way. Green temple, Jah Jah, hear me pray in the rhythm of life. Let the music stay. Smoke rises high like a sacred hymn. Echoes of drums in the jungle dim. Wisdom flows where the light grows thin. The beat is my preacher, the bass line my choir. Green temple, Jah Jah, guide my way. Green temple, Jah Jah, hear me pray in the rhythm of life. Stars tell stories only dreamers believe. Each note a seed, each word reprieve. Wind in the threads, the sailcloth sings, carried by tide, where the ocean clings. A ship of dreams, no anchor to bind, drifting away, leaving maps behind. Sailcloth chant, it hums, it sways. Pull me through these endless ways. Sailcloth chant, oh guide my way through the night to the break of day. Salt on my lips, stars in my eyes, moonlight whispers where the horizon lies. Each wave a story, each gust a cry. The sailcloth chants beneath the sky. Sailcloth chants, it hums, it sways. Pull me through these endless ways. Sailcloth chant, oh guide my way through the night to the break of day. faces start the day. A whisper flows the drums away. In the heart of the bazaar way. Bazaar way. The rhythms call. Bazaar way. It takes us all through the night, through the haze. We dance, we drift in a smoky maze. A merchant hums a tune so deep. His secret's locked, the night won't keep. Spices mixed with stories untold. This bazaar is fire and gold. Hear the beat, feel it grow. A river runs where the echoes flow. Bazaar way, the rhythms call. Bazaar way, it takes us all through the night, through the haze. We dance, we drift in a smoky maze. Lanterns flicker, casting spells. The air is thick with distant bells. Time bends slow, then fades away. In the bazaar, we lose the day. Sunrise whispers through the haze. A golden thread in smoky days. Roots so deep they hold the ground. Lift me up without a sound. Place them gently, light the flame. Fire's warmth but not the pain. Place them gently, feel the vibe. One love, rhythm, keep it alive. Waves roll slow on distant shores. Echoes hum through open doors. The earth that breathes a steady tune. light. The jungle hums its song all night. You can't fight green, it wraps you whole, it climbs your walls, it takes control. You can't fight green, its life, its flow, through cracks and storm, it always grows. The moss creeps slow on the old stone wall. Vines swing wide like they own it all. The rain, it drums. A steady beat greens the rhythm under your feet. You can cut, you can burn, but the green, it returns. You can't fight green, it wraps you whole, it climbs your walls, it takes control. You can't fight green, its life, its flow, through cracks and stone, it always grows. Emerald tide, rising high, under the sun, under the sky. No chains, no locks, no man-made scheme can hold back the power of the green. stone. You'll find the world, but you're not alone. Crossroads market where the stories meet. Crossroads market, hear the drum beat. Crossroads market, feel the heat. Lanterns sway to the reggae sound. Roots grow deep in the sacred ground. Footsteps echo, but the heart stays bound. Crossroads market where the stories meet. Crossroads market, hear the drum beat. Crossroads market, feel the heat. Sunrise creeping up the blinds. Another day begins. Same old story, different lines. Gotta pay for my sins. Oh, Lord, have mercy on me now. Tell me how can I escape this dawn parade? Another day, another fate. This dawn parade, yeah. Coffee brewing in the pot. Another day, another lie. Wishing I could stop, but I gotta try. Oh, Lord, have mercy on me now. Tell me how can I escape this dawn parade? Another day, another fate. prophets, they're preaching the truth. Roots hold the soil like the wisdom of you. The river, it runs, but it never forgets. The path it carved out, the way that it says. Fight the feeling, don't let it win. The storm's on the outside, not within. Hold your ground, let your spirit sing. Fight the feeling, don't let it win. They'll throw shadows on your way, try to drown you in the gray, but the light lives in your eyes. Rise up now, don't compromise. Fight the feeling, don't let it win. Storms on the outside, not within. Hold your ground, let your spirit sing. Fight the feeling, don't let it win. Roots grow deep in the island sand. Whispers of earth in my calloused hand. Sunrise paints the hills in gold. Oh, untold. Green sand, singing loud. Green sand, part of the crowd. We rise, we sway, we plan today. Rain falls soft like a lover's kiss. Leaves dance slow in the morning mist. Hear the drum, feel the hum where we're from. Shadows fade, the light breaks through. Every seed holds something new. Green shine, singing loud. Green shine, part of the crowd. We rise, we sway, we plan today. steps creak loud on the old wood stair. I'm halfway up, but I don't know where. Plaza, walk up, climbing slow. Every step I feel the flow. Plaza, walk up, where we go. Up and up, the night will show. Dusty walls whisper stories untold. Chip paint speaks of days gone cold. Keys in my pocket jingle like a tune. The city's pulse hums under the moon. Every corner a secret, every sound a beat. The rhythm of the stairs beneath my feet. Plaza, walk up, climbing slow. Every step I feel the flow. Plaza, walk up, where we go. Up and up, the night will show. Brick by brick, the echoes rise. Windows flicker with firefly eyes. Up here the world feels thin, so light. The stars lean closer to taste the night. Brick by brick, the echoes rise. Windows flicker with firefly eyes. Up here the world feels thin, so light. The stars lean closer to taste the night. Sunrise creeping through the haze. Dusty streets in a smoky maze. Children laugh where the shadows play. Roots roll on through another day. Roots roll on, steady and strong. Carry the fire where we belong. Roots roll on, sing the same old song. Through the night until the dawn. Waves of sound in the humid air. Every beat pulls away despair. Life is rough, but the rhythm's kind. Lost and found in the pulse we grind.